Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make raw vegan Polish donuts. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. All links and ingredients needed for the recipe are of course in the description below. We will start with a banana. We put it in a blender. Next is a ripe avocado. Now we add some nuts. I will use almonds. All nuts have to soak for at least 8-9 hours to get rid of the phytic acid. We have to mix everything together. Now we put the mass in a bowl. Now we take some soaked sunflower seeds. They should soak for at least 8 hours. Next, some flaxseed, also soaked. And some agave syrup. We mix everything together. And now we add the mass to the bowl with the previous mass. If the mass is too thin, we can add some coconut flour. Now some carob or cocoa. We mix the mass with a spoon. And now we can shape our donuts in the shape we want. We can also make a topping, for example by blending fruits and coconut oil. We put our donuts in the fridge and it's ready. Bon appetit!